And let's go ahead and go. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh my God. This thing is quick. Good afternoon and welcome back to Peter's Autovlog. This is Peter. Today we're going to get behind the wheel of this 2024 Ford Mustang Mach E GT. Now there's one thing about this Mustang GT that the one I've recently done did not have, and this has the performance pack with the 700 pound-feet of torque and of course the bronze package. But before we go on, I want to give a big shout out to Bartow Ford and a big thank you for allowing me some time with this Mustang Mach E GT. Big thank you to my friend Tim. I'm going to put all their information and a link to the website in the description below. And ladies and gentlemen, here we have this 2024 Mustang Mach E GT. Now this one that we have with us here is a little bit special. Now I recently done another Mustang Mach E review. If you want a little more in-depth review, please check out that review that I recently did. It was a red one. This one here, I'm just going to do a quick overall review, and we're actually going to go more of a test drive, because this one here has the performance pack that was not on the other one that I test drove, and of course this one here has the bronze package there as well, or the bronze appearance package. Now as I mentioned, guys, we got a little bit of restyled front here to this 2024 Mach E's. Really nice lights. We got, of course, as you can see, we get the bronze package on this one. You can see the bronze front finish on this one. We got the lighted pony there as well that lights up at night with this Mustang Mach E GTs. We got a lower lip in the bottom, more aggressive for the GTs, done in a gloss black. We got your bumpers, and we got a little bit of a air function right here on the bottom there. As you can see, we got your LED lights. Coming here on the side, guys, we got the 20-inch wheels. These are the nice, more sport performance wheels. These are, of course, finished in bronze. You can also get them in aluminum as well. As you can see, we got the 4-piston Brembo caliper that comes standard with the GTs. Now we have more performance pads, and we got a 15.2-inch rotor here in the front, if I'm correct. Love the bronze wheels. These are really much aggressive. It really looks good in this wheel. These are up to around 245 millimeter Continental Sport contact tire. These are also some performance tires, basically square setup all around. Really awesome the way this looks. As you can see, we also got the Mach E, the letters also, or the badging also done in bronze there as well. We got a lower side sill, as you can see, they're done in gloss black, which really looks cool. Gloss black mirrors, as you can see, that with your LED turn signal, and of course this is just a sleek SUV. I really love the way this is, especially with the black roof. Really makes it look a lot sleeker. This one is equipped with the panoramic roof, not the panoramic sunroof. This is just a static roof, but it is a sunroof nonetheless. As you can see, guys, we got the same wheel and tire package here in the back. Coming here in the back, we got your Mustang tail. As you can see, though, these are sequential lights as well on this one, and you can see the GT badge is also done in bronze there as well. This is basically your lower diffuser. As you can see, they're really nice the way that's done. We got your reverse light right there, and this is done in gloss black, and you can see the keys detecting me. We got also your sensors here in the back as well. I would probably do this one in more of a the green color that Ford has. I think it's called, I've lost the name right now, put that for you guys on the screen. Maybe black, or I think Ford offers the Vapor Blue, which will make it a little bit better. This Star White is not bad, but actually I would prefer this bronze package with a darker color to give it a little more pop. Let's go and check out the hatches. I have the key with me. As you can see, it's pretty much simple key that Ford usually includes. Double click to open up your rear hatch, and it opens up pretty quickly. As you can see, that GT badge, love the bronze on that. Here in the back, you got about 25 cubic feet. I remember, guys, I apologize, I missed the number. If not, I'll put that information for you guys up on the screen. Pretty cool to have. Really nice the way this is. Plenty of storage space here in the back. We also got a 12-volt connection right here. As you can see there, we got an LED light. We got a subwoofer here in the back for the stereo, for the 10-speaker Bang & Olufsen. Then, of course, you get a rubber floor mat, and if we raise this up as well, we also have, let me get this a little bit of graph. We got your basically your connectors here to connect and recharge your car. As you can see, they're pretty nice to have. And of course, that you know that you can also connect to Ford, or excuse me, Tesla's charging station now for 2024. So that's an awesome thing to have, which is just alleviates, you know, the time to go to Electrify America, but you can go to any Tesla station, which are more abundant all around. But let's go ahead, guys, and basically that's it. Really nice the way this is. Let's go ahead and just get the button. If we do have a button, I do believe we have a button right there, and this thing will automatically come down. Really nice the way this is designed. I really love the back of this Ford Mustang Mach E GT. So let's go ahead and take a look at this sticker of this Ford Mustang Mach E for you guys here. I'm going to put this sheet for you guys up on the screen so you can see it much better and not have the reflection here of the glass. So here we have a 2024 GT Mustang Mach E with a star white exterior. Now this one here started about just under $54,000. The options on this one, of course, you can see we got the star white for about $1,000. We got $745 for the performance upgrade. So that gives you the 100 extra pound-feet of torque, which is an awesome feature as well. We also got the bronze appearance package for just under $2,000. The panel sunroof, as you can see up here, is about $1,500. And then we have the mobile core for $500 and the interior protection package for $395 for a total grand price of $62,020. You guys, let's go ahead and open up our door, which I love. Of course, you know, we get unique handles here to this door. All we have to do is press the button. We do have comfort access there as well on this Ford Mach E's. And coming here to the interior, guys, we got a mix of Alcantara, suede, and of course leather. Really nice the way this is. We got some white stitching, controls for windows and mirrors. You can see really nice the way it is. Now this one here, being the GT, you get the sports seats or the performance seats, which are really nice. We got nice size ball trim. These are heated, not cooled, and of course you can see they're really nice. Love the way these are, the way there's the sign with the design and the white stitching and all that. Really also a leather carpet steering wheel with some white stitching there as well. We got the soundbar on this one. That's the same as the new Ford Explorer. This is kind of carryover from there, and really nice the way all this is. As you can see, it's pretty cool interior. Let's go ahead and jump in. And here we are inside of this Ford Mustang GT. Before we go on, let's go ahead and get this thing started to get some AC going, because it's quite hot here today in Central Florida. Foot on the brake, let's press our start button right there. Now of course we got no engine, so basically just gonna turn on, and I'm gonna straighten out the wheel a little bit here, guys. You can check out our screens there. We got the big 15.5-inch and our 10-inch cluster gauge. So now that we have all our screens turned on, as you can see, we got the big 15.5-inch screen with your C4A infotainment, and of course we got your 10.2-inch cluster screen here. As you can see, guys, we're about 90%, 259 miles of range. This one here tops up about 280 miles of range. Of course, we got a 91 kilowatt battery that you can charge roughly about, depends, about 20 miles per hour in terms of quick charging. Depends on the charging station where you are. But of course, now as I mentioned before, now you can use the Tesla charging station to find one, and much easier to find one. Those are usually quicker chargers. You can use that through your Ford app, or you can also get up to the Tesla app and charge your Ford Mach E through there as well. But you see, guys, really nice ergonomics in this Ford Mach E. I really like them. I always like them. Really nice the way it's done. Very smallish feeling SUV. This one here, as you can see, it's got the it's not a sunroof. It's basically just a moon roof. As you can see there, it's not open, nothing like that. I believe you can also block the sun, or it does block the sun quite a bit. We got a black headlamp, as you can see. There's just places to put your phone, mirror glasses, all type of things up here. We got home link. We got basically your glove box over here, as you can see there. Really nice. I love this. All this, the way this is finished off. And now this is similar material that they're using in the new Ford Explorer. As you can see, got the soundbar, as they call it in this Ford Mach E. This is the one where it originated from. Really nice interior, as you can see. I really love it. You got a manually tilting and telescoping steering wheel. I'm going to kind of adjust it just a little bit. Really nice the way everything is. Now we're going to go into drive, guys. I'm not going to review all this, but as you can see, guys, quickly here we got navigation, radio, phone. Pretty cool, interesting screen, as you can see there. Everything's really nice at your fingertip, as you can see that we're just going to keep it there. And we also have, as I mentioned, a 10-speaker Bang & Olufsen system. Sounds pretty nice as well. I can tell you, it's really a nice sound system. But let's go ahead, guys, and head out. Let's go ahead and close our door. Unfortunately, we got no engine in here, so it's all electric. See, we got 3 memory setting here for your seat as well. So okay, let's go ahead and put our transmission in reverse. A little dial here. We're gonna have a 360-degree camera, and you can see how clear that is. We can also kind of head up there if you're towing something, but I don't think this can tow, but you got really good camera graphics. Let's go ahead and go back, guys. You see this is crawling back there, and we got, of course, a cyborg there, and we got the sensors there, as you can see there. Pretty cool to have. Let's go ahead, guys, and go forward. Now we are on Unbridled. We got basically 3 driving modes. We got Whisper, which kind of slow or quiet, Engage, a little more Sport, or Unbridled, which gives you not all of it. We also got Unbridled Extended, which gives you basically like a track mode. I'm not putting it on in the track mode. Just kind of check out and see how this extra 100 pound-feet of torque feel in this version of this Ford Mustang Mach E, which is really awesome. I love this one. This thing feels so good. This Mach E. They're small. Obviously, they're a little bit heavy because obviously they got quite a bit of battery. So we're looking at about 5,000 pounds of weight here on this SUV. And this lady couldn't hear me, as you can see there. So it's so quiet. But I love the way this looks. This looks so good with the bronze package and the white and the star white. I prefer this one here on the Vapor Blue or on the green. I just lost the name of the green. I can't believe I lost the name of the green. Let's go out this way, guys. Nobody coming here on this side. And let's go ahead and this drive is basically normal. If you've never driven an electric car, this drive is pretty normal. Right now we got a little bit of generative braking, which means when you take off the foot off the gas, you feel like it's braking automatically, and it's kind of light. It's not too bad. Actually, it's a little bit heavier on the mode right now we're on. I'm gonna stop. There's nobody here in the back of us. Just kind of give it a little bit. You can see it's gonna just whoa. Oh my god. Yeah, these things are very quick, no doubt about it. And of course, the suspension, it is on the stiffer side. It is quite more on the sports car side, especially with the way they had to make this a little bit stiffer, but they did a good job. And this one does have the Magna-Ride suspension, if I missed letting you know about that when I was by the wheels. But we do have a Magna-Ride system, so that just gives you a really good ride as well. It's not as stiff, you know, as a race car or something like that. It was like a sports car. It gives you that right combination of nice ride, but it is on the sporting side. Let's go ahead, guys, and just give a quick acceleration here, and let's go ahead and go. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god, this thing is quick. Got a little bit of a wheel spin taking off. Yeah, this is definitely quicker than the old GT. I drove the regular GT not too long ago. You can definitely tell the difference in the oh my god, this thing is crazy. Yeah, you gotta be careful with these things. You can see the thing just dropped quite a bit. Steering is pretty direct, and we also got Ford's Copilot 360 steering for you there as well. Now this one's also include Ford's Blue Cruise as well. You got the sensors right there, as you can see there. You also got that automation, or that automated Ford Blue Cruise system available in this Ford Mach E. I don't know, I think they give you also 90 days of free trial, and then you can go also on the subscription or the yearly $700 price that they give you. But really cool. This is an awesome performance machine. Being an electric car, I know as a car enthusiast, I shouldn't enjoy this, but Ford did a really good job with this one. It's small. It's obviously, you can feel the weight, but it's just the torque, the instant torque of this electric cars. It's just so much fun. And this one with the sport suspension, and it's got good brakes as well, just enhances that performance and that, that feeling of sport. It also drives right. If you want to drive it just regularly, you can go back to whisper and engage. It'll be pretty nice, quiet. I'm the type of guy who loves driving and enjoys a little more performance driving. So to me, this is what I love to do. But hope that came out. It's just crazy acceleration, guys. I mean, unbelievable how this thing accelerates. Just, you can get in trouble easily. And I can just imagine the Tesla Plate or something like that. They just got 1,000 horsepower. This is fully 480 horsepower. A lot of torque, yes, but wow, this thing feels crazy. I'm not gonna go a lot too quicker because there could be some law enforcement around this area. But very nice the way this feels. So it feels refined, quiet, good, well put together. No squeaks or rattles, nothing like that. It just feels so good, and it feels pretty direct, pretty easy to handle. I gotta turn that stability off because I think it's just going nuts if I go this way like this. It doesn't like it at all. But I see, guys, we're doing about 54. You want to pass somebody, just God, this thing is quick. Oh my god, instant torque from this motor's impressive. Oof. Now if we go back, for example, let's go back to engage. That will relax a little bit the throttle, not give us that crazy acceleration. Still feels good. Plenty of still, I can feel it's not as quick, kind of like a softer, tight bit slower acceleration and response. But this thing feels so good though. Feels taut, feels right. Doesn't defy its weight, to be honest. Now in terms of the brakes, it's a brand new one. I'm not gonna push the brakes. It's still gotta be a little bit better than we got an ambulance going by. Brakes still feel good. You got good potent brake, nice brake pedal, and nice progressive brakes. Yeah, this is just an awesome feeling SUV, especially with this bronze package. It looks so good. I've been really enjoying this SUV. As you can see, guys, everybody knows that electric cars have lost a little bit of their, basically their, I would say, their mojo. They're not as popular now. Ford came out with a good deal, and this one's 2023s. We're going for zero down or zero interest for like 60 months, and they have really good lease deals. I think they still do. Obviously, they're not moving as quick as they used to be, but this is awesome to have. Obviously, you can buy this one. This one is still available here at Bartow Ford, and once again, thank you to them for allowing me some time with this one here. This is awesome awesome SUV to have, to be honest. I really like this truck. You can't go wrong with one of these, especially like a daily. This would be a fantastic daily. Lots of good power, and you got plenty of torque to have fun. Just impressive acceleration to this thing's so quick. And then we got a regular Mustang going by there, but this corner, this thing just goes so quickly. I mean, super quick. These things, they are. I'm sure a lot of people have surprised, quick cars, a lot of performance cars with this, electric cars for sure. Now, as a car enthusiast, I do love this thing. It's fast. It is fun. You can push it. It is a heavy car, but of course, there's nothing that's gonna replace the noise, the way a V8, a V10, whatever you feel, even an inline six turbo like the one in my BMW. But a fantastic car overall. I think this is one of Ford's best SUVs, especially for a daily. It just feels great. Obviously, it's not as green as everybody thinks having these cars, but it's not cheap either. It's not free either. But this thing is basically steering for me. The way this is, I can feel this steer for me a little bit. But let me know, guys, what you think of this Ford Mustang GT, especially with this performance pack and the bronze package. I think it looks fantastic. It's probably one of the best looking SUVs. Of course, I have not driven yet a Tesla performance or nothing like that. As you see, let me take and turn this a little bit faster. Yeah, she just turns in. You can feel a little bit of the weight. Yes, you can definitely feel the weight in this SUV. I do, but nothing you can do about it. But it's still pretty much 80-90% of the time you're gonna not drive this thing at 10/10, especially on the street. It'll be fun to push this thing on a racetrack, especially on that extra unbridled. But let me know what you guys think. This is a very fun SUV, lots of good power, a great daily, fun for, I like my wife wanted like one of these for sure. But you can see, guys, just, oh god, this thing is just incredible acceleration. You actually get a bit nauseous. Oh my god, you can feel that just kind of all the stomach, all your breath is getting towards your stomach, because that's how quick this thing is. But let me know what you guys think. And there goes that ambulance that we just passed too. God, oh well, we're gonna beat it anyway. But let me know what you guys think, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Little quick review of this Ford Mustang Mach E GT. If you guys looking for a little more in-depth review, check out my other GT review that I did. It's just a regular GT. You'll find that in about a few videos back, about a month or 2 months ago, that I did. Thank you so much for being with me here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys haven't done it, please subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think of this extra performance package. I think it's completely worth it. It's $745 to charge for this thing. Awesome vehicle to have. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great afternoon. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.